Hey guys, how are you doing? As you can see, it's Nutribullet time again. Since yesterday, when I received this box with the Nutribullet Pro, the 900 watts version with 900 milliliter cup and a smaller one which should be around 600 milliliters, I actually already made couple of smoothies and I wanted to share my first impressions and initial review of the Nutribullet Pro 900. So this product has been on the market for quite some time, for years now. I know that many people have been using it for quite long and there's a lot of feedback, but in 2024 I wanted to share my personal feedback about this product, how it performs since my first smoothie is made. Let me show you. This is the vegetable smoothie. I will explain more about it in a second and share some first impressions and features that I discovered with the Nutribullet. Even though it's pretty simple, it's one speed operation. When you press it down, it turns on. You can simulate pulse. It doesn't have a pulse button, so you push and let it go. But if you push and these small ears go in, it will run continuously. I have the feeling that this might be hard for some women because sometimes you need to push a bit hard in order to get it operating, but still it's decent, it's powerful. What I felt with this Nutribullet, it is quite powerful. Let me show you a few of the products that I already used for my nutrition diet with smoothies, vegetable smoothies, and also some. Let me show you. So we have pineapple, we have cucumber, we have banana, we have this, we have this, and we have this, and there's more, but I guess the other products are over. The ginger is supposed to be one of the hardest products. When I researched for recipes for smoothies, they said that ginger is quite hard for some blenders. Probably they meant 150 watt blenders, or I don't know, some 300 watt blenders, but not for the 900 watt Nutribullet, which had no issues whatsoever with this piece of ginger. Not this one, but the one that's missing. So this morning we prepared a vegetable smoothie which consists of some cucumber, some celery, some ginger, some lemon, and that's about it. But even though I watched a couple of recipes, I think I'm gonna make my own. For this mix, I also added a couple of spoons of olive oil, cold pressed olive oil, which is quite good for your health, has some vitamins in it, and also smoothens this a bit because it's a bit harsh with the lemon and the ginger. What I also would recommend is to put some ice to have it cold and some water, so the texture, the mix is a bit lighter. Right now, as you can see, it's perfectly fine for a smoothie, but if you want a cold drink in the summer, which is also going to be good for your health, put some ice and some water. It's gonna crush the ice just fine. Let me show you how you operate with this. So you just take it out and that's it. And you turn it this way, just like it is with the 900 milliliter. You take this part from here and you pour your smoothie in a cup or drink it right away, whatever you wish, but it's quite easy to operate. And also the thing that's very important when you buy kitchen stuff, appliances, it's easy to maintain, because I had a lot of stuff that is hard to maintain, and after a year or so I just get rid of it. I'm not using it. So it was very easy to operate, to wash this thing. And also, since it's quite powerful, again 900 watts, I don't think about the products that I'm putting here. I can put almonds, I can put ginger, I can put coffee, even use it as a coffee grinder, but it's gonna do just fine. So having this extra power, I know the regular Nutribullet has about 600 watts and it's also very good, but the additional power makes this Nutribullet Pro very useful. So my first impressions are pretty good. And with the fruit smoothie that I made with pineapple, banana, and what else? Oh, just remember that in this morning smoothie, the veggie one, I also added some green apples. So for the fruit smoothie, I used pineapple, banana, and I put some ice from the fridge, some ice, and something else. I added something else. I believe I put 3 things, but I'm not sure what was the third one. And it was, guys, it was awesome. I filled the whole 900 milliliter cup with 2 bananas, some pineapple, some ice, and it was just awesome. Now I remember. Let me show you what else I added for my citrus smoothie. It was quite good. So I added this coconut water, which added some extra flavor. So you can imagine having coconut, pineapple, banana in 1 cup. It was just very delicious. So let me share my recipe. Probably is well known, but I don't know if you tested it. So you take 1 banana, 1 good piece of pineapple, some like 100 milliliters of, or 150 milliliters of coconut water, some ice. You put it in the big 900 cup, and you need probably like not more than 20 seconds, and you add some lemon juice right from the lemon, not put pieces because it's gonna be like too much flavor lemon. But if you put like 10-20 milliliters of lemon juice, it's up to your taste, and you have a wonderful summer smoothie that let me tell you, it was less than a couple of hours that we had the whole 900 milliliter cup finished. It was so delicious. So the good thing is that it's also sweet. You don't need additional flavors, and you're not looking for other desserts like ice cream, because it's quite hot these days and you search for cold drink and ice cream. So this is a very good substitute for healthy living, having some sweet fruits and have them coated in a smoothie, and you're gonna do just fine if you go with such diet for a couple of months. Also for the vegetable smoothies, I'm quite optimistic. I'm gonna try different approaches with the vegetable smoothies. I'm not into preset recipes that everybody's using. It's up to my taste. If I like it, it's good. So if you guys have any suggestions, if you tried something yourselves and it turned out really good with your Nutribullet or Ninja or whatever you're using for your blending, so please drop me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And of course, this is my first impression video. I will share more recipes for sure, but for now, for these 24 hours that I had with the Nutribullet, I am very pleased. It's already changing my diet and in the long run I hope it will change my lifestyle for better healthy living. So for now, pretty good feedback from the Nutribullet, pretty decent performance. I'll test more things and of course I will share it with you. So don't forget to subscribe, drop me a comment with your favorite recipe for blending either fruit smoothies or vegetable or whatever, and stay tuned for my next video from my kitchen. I'd love to see you again, guys. Bye bye for now.